How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it's only been 3 days since we got the picture of the new DJI FPV goggles. And it was less than 5 days since we saw this in-action picture of the Avata drone. But new photos of the Avata FPV drone have been released, and we can see all angles of this new drone with these new pictures. You really get a feel for the size and depth of this new FPV drone. This drone was labeled the mini FPV drone, but as you can see from these photos, there's nothing really mini about it. As you can see, located on the forward top of the new drone is the transmission system. Likely to be the same transmission system used in the new digital FPV transmission system. As you can see, the lens on this camera is pretty big, even though the sensor looks pretty small. That's why it was compared to the Mini 3 earlier. I'll bring up the image of the Avata FPV versus the Mini 3 Pro. So now that we have the goggles, now that we've seen the drone, and we've already seen the FCC filing, this drone is on its way. The clock is already counting down till release. I can't wait to see the new Avata FPV drone from DJI. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.